Ever wondered how to simplify if-else statements in Python? Well, the solution is the Python ternary operator. It's a more streamlined approach to handle if-else statements, helping you to write cleaner, more readable code. Imagine being able to express a full if-else statement in just one line. That's the power of the Python ternary operator. Now you might be thinking, how does it work? Stay tuned as we dive deeper. So, how does Python ternary operator work? Well, it's quite elegant really. The syntax reads like a sentence, if-else. Here's what that means. If the expression is true, the whole statement evaluates to the on_true value. If it's false, we get the on_false value. Consider this example. X equals 10, if y equals 1, else 20. If y equals 1, x is 10. If not, x is 20. It's simple, isn't it? But wait, there's more to it. Why should we use Python ternary operator, you ask? Let's start with compactness. The Python ternary operator allows you to condense simple if-else statements into a single line, making your code more succinct. Plus, it enhances readability, saving you precious time when revisiting your code. And here's the cherry on top. It's widely used in other programming languages, making your code more universally understood. So, Python ternary operator not only makes your code concise, but also easy to read and understand. So, to sum it all up, the Python ternary operator is essentially an if-else statement in a condensed form. It's simple, it's neat, and it's efficient. This operator provides you with a more streamlined syntax to make your code cleaner and easier to understand. It's one of those small but mighty tools that can make a big difference in your coding life. So why not give it a try in your next Python project? That's Python ternary operator for you. A small but powerful tool in your coding toolkit. Thanks for watching and keep coding.